Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you ready for an upgrade that's going to change your listening game? I'm super excited to share my hands-on review of the Apple AirPods Pro 3. These earbuds have been making waves in the world of audio technology, and trust me, they're worth getting to know. Let's start with one of the coolest features that sets these AirPods apart, the world's best in-ear active noise cancellation. Essentially, this means that Apple has found a way to remove up to 2x more unwanted noise than their previous model, so you can stay fully immersed in the moment, whether that's listening to your favorite podcast or crushing it on the workout track. I put these AirPods Pro 3 through some tough tests, and let me tell you, they pass with flying colors. The noise cancellation is like having a personal sound engineer built right into your earbuds. It's incredible how seamlessly they eliminate background chatter and distractions, allowing you to focus on what really matters, the music, the conversation, or that podcast episode you've been meaning to get to. But it's not just about noise cancellation, these AirPods also boast breakthrough audio performance. I'm talking breathtaking, three-dimensional audio that feels like you're right there in the recording studio. The bass is transformed, the clarity is spot on, and those vocals? Absolutely stunning. It's like having your own personal concert at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about some of the more practical features that make these AirPods a must-have for fitness enthusiasts and everyday users alike. One of my favorite features has got to be heart rate sensing. With this built-in feature, you can track your heart rate and calories burned for up to 50 different workout types. From yoga to HIIT, these AirPods have got you covered. But that's not all. Live translation is another game changer. Imagine being able to communicate across language barriers with ease, thanks to this cutting-edge technology enabled by Apple Intelligence. It's like having a personal translator built right into your earbuds. It's that cool. Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning the battery life. These AirPods Pro 3 offer up to 8 hours of listening time with active noise cancellation on a single charge, not bad at all. And if you need more power, they'll happily give you up to 10 hours in transparency mode using the hearing aid feature. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the fit? Don't these AirPods just fall out of my ears? Well, let me tell you, Apple's made a huge leap forward with their new ear tips, which come in 5 sizes. They provide a more secure, personalized fit that ensures better audio performance across the board. Last but not least, there's hearing health to consider. Take a hearing test from the comfort of your own home? Yeah, it's a thing now. Use the hearing aid feature with automatic conversation boost for clearer communication, or activate active hearing protection to prevent exposure to loud environmental noise. These AirPods have got you covered. The personalized listening feature is another standout. With next-generation adaptive EQ, your sound signature gets customized based on your unique ear geometry and fit. It's like having a personal audio engineer fine-tune the sound just for you. Now, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. These AirPods Pro 3 are also equipped with magical experience technology. Automatic switching lets you seamlessly switch between devices, while audio sharing lets you share a song or show between 2 sets of AirPods on your iPhone, iPad, or Apple TV. In conclusion, the Apple AirPods Pro 3 are an absolute must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their listening experience. With their world's best in-ear active noise cancellation, breakthrough audio performance, and heart rate sensing, these earbuds have it all. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to the link below to get your hands on a pair of AirPods Pro 3 and experience the magic for yourself.